Just shooting a quick video of my new Oliver grinder, 585. I don't think the paint is original. Found a few things that were painted over that appears to be an original water tag, but there is a neat tag right underneath here, underneath that paint. It's not coming into focus, but neat little tag there I'm going to have to take off. It appears to be brass and painted, but I'll see what's under there. There's the cone grinder. The leather stropping wheel would go on here. This is just metal. And I'm excited that this is not coming in focus. There we go. An Ohio motor. So definitely the original motor. A couple stampings on the body of it here. Looks like a third horse. And I'll have to figure out the age of it based on the numbers. Here you can see the difference in the caps for the pot. This is broken off. This one has the original lift on it. So you just swivel out of the way with the screw and spring system here. There you go. So that needs a little bit of attention, but it's not bad. The brass kerosene tags there, and there's another brass tag there. Here's the slide mechanism and the clamp. So all of that's in, working well. I even have the original wrench for changing the wheels there. So everything's there. Everything appears to be in good shape. Here's that cutting disc. Real fine edge on it. So not sure what to make of that yet. I'll fire it up for you. Give it a good spin. Wants to go, but not quite.